Do you think buying Bitcoin is shady or too complex? Well, what if you could make your first crypto investment in just minutes using the same payment method you already use every day? In this 2025 Beginner's Guide, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal on Paybis while going through everything in a step-by-step real time. So you'll be able to buy Bitcoin and other cryptos. Now, before we get into the how, let's take a second to talk about the why. With hundreds of crypto exchanges out there, why pick Paybis and PayPal for your first Bitcoin purchase? For a beginner, the answer is simple. You get the comfort of a trusted payment method with the security and simplicity of a beginner-friendly exchange. No complicated jargon, no fear, and just an easy first step into crypto. So PayPal is one of the most widely used and trusted payment methods in the world, servicing millions of users, and Paybis is a crypto exchange platform that focuses on making all crypto trading easy, simple, and fully compliant. It's like using your trusted bank card at a secure new store. You get safety, simplicity, and easy first steps into Bitcoin. Now, once you see how simple it is, your confidence to explore will grow. So before we get into the buying process, let's first go over a few important pointers to make sure your first Bitcoin purchase is a success. First off, you need to create and verify an account on Paybis. So this is a standard legal requirement called Know Your Customer, or KYC. And every legitimate crypto exchange requires it to prevent fraud. Don't worry, Paybis has perfected the entire process, and it should only take you a few minutes, if that really, to complete. Second, you'll need a verified PayPal account. Now, if you're a regular PayPal customer, you're all set. The PayPal account should be in good standing and have a payment method linked to it, like a bank account, debit card, or your PayPal balance. And third, you'll need a Bitcoin wallet address. Now, you can use the free integrated Paybis wallet, or you can send it directly to any external wallet you control, like one from Coinbase, Ledger, or MetaMask. Now, finally, be aware of your location. Using PayPal on Paybis is currently available in the UK, most of the European Economic Area, and other countries in the world. And of course, we've got plans for expansion. Paybis itself is available in 180 countries and 48 US states. Now that we've got you covered, it's time to show you how to actually buy Bitcoin on Paybis. I've got my screen recording right now, and the process is nearly identical whether you're on a phone or a computer. Go ahead and open up the Paybis website or app and log in. You'll land on a simple Buy Crypto screen. First, in the You Spend section, enter the amount of money you want to invest. For this demo, I'm just going to put $50. Next to the amount, select your currency from the drop-down menu, then click on the payment method drop-down. You'll see options like credit card, debit card, bank transfer, and of course, PayPal. So go ahead and select PayPal. Now, in the You Receive section, it'll automatically show you how much Bitcoin you'll get for your money. Bitcoin is usually selected by default, but if not, you can click the drop down and choose it from the list of available cryptocurrencies. So let's finalize this purchase. After you've entered the amounts and selected your payment methods, the next step is to provide your Bitcoin wallet address. If you're using the free Paybis wallet, you can easily select it here. If you're using an external wallet, you'll need to paste the address in the provided field. Now, once that's done, you can click the Buy Bitcoin button. This will take you to a transaction summary page. Take a second to look it over. It'll show the amount you're spending, the Bitcoin you're receiving, the exchange rate, and any fees. And once you're ready, you'll be redirected to PayPal's secure website. Now here, you'll simply log into your PayPal account and authorize a payment, just like you would for any other online purchase. Now, the review screen on Paybis before you get sent to PayPal is easily the most important step in this whole process. So this is where Paybis breaks down the entire transaction before you commit. You'll see a few different lines. Now let's walk through them. The first is the amount you're spending. In my case, it's $50. Second, you'll see the current price of one Bitcoin. So this is the exchange rate Paybis is locking you in for. Third, you'll see the fees. This is one of the trade-offs. Platforms that offer the convenience of buying crypto with methods like PayPal often have higher fees than traditional exchanges, and some do and some don't. So the fee structure is transparent, but you're paying for the simplicity and security of the service. So just take a moment to look it all over. Once you're comfortable with the number and you've confirmed the payment on PayPal's side, you're all set. You now own Bitcoin. Congratulations. Once the payment's confirmed through PayPal, Paybis will process the entire transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen popping up saying your purchase was successful. And again, you're officially a Bitcoin owner. Your Bitcoin went straight to the wallet you chose earlier. And if you use the Paybis wallet, check your balance in the wallet section of your dashboard. If you send it to an external wallet, check it there instead. Now, transactions usually show up quite quickly. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. It might take a few minutes. Now you've seen how simple it is, let's have an honest chat about the pros and cons of using Paybis with PayPal. The pros are massive for a beginner. It's user-friendly, the process is straightforward, and it leverages PayPal's security, which provides a layer of safety and familiarity. A huge advantage is that Paybis allows you to send crypto directly to your own external wallet, giving you full control from the very start. But there are some things to keep in mind. The main drawback is the fees. For the convenience of using PayPal on an easy-to-use platform, the transaction fees can be a little bit higher than on more complex trading exchanges. And while Paybis itself is widely available, the option to use PayPal as a payment method is not yet entirely global. Finally, if you choose to use the Paybis wallet, it is a custodial wallet, and that means Paybis manages security for you. So this is great for beginners. However, some crypto purists stand by the phrase, not your keys, not your coins. The fact that Paybis allows you to withdraw immediately to your own wallet, like Ledger or Trezor, is a major benefit, and I think this addresses this concern directly. And that's it. Now you know how to easily buy Bitcoin on Paybis with PayPal. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy crypto guides. Next up, how to sell Bitcoin on Paybis and cash out to your bank. Check that video right here. Thanks for watching.